Hello family, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm honoring my South Sudanese heritage with this simple cow tongue recipe. The ingredients for this melt in your mouth delicacy are in the description below. Follow these simple steps and discover how I simmer the cow tongue with onions, tomatoes and my favorite spices until the collagen breaks down into a rich velvety stew. I already cleaned the cow tongue and prepared the ingredients. I submerge the whole cow tongue in a large pot of water and boil it with salt, onion, a cinnamon stick, ginger, bay leaf, cardamom pods, black peppercorns, and crushed garlic. I bring the pot to a boil on high, then let it simmer on medium to low heat for 1 to 2 hours or until the meat is very soft. In this time, I add water as needed. When the tongue is super soft and the outer skin can easily be peeled off, I remove it from the pot. Look at that, it easily peels off. I run it under cold water before peeling it. I now peel the tough outer skin and discard it. To make things easier, I cut it into smaller sections and peel as shown here. Then I cut it into bite-sized cubes and set it aside. It's soft and tastes good, but will elevate the taste in the next step. I sieve the soup and set it aside. I heat some oil and saute the onions until they are translucent. I add the tomatoes and stir for a minute, then add some broth and cook this until the tomatoes break down and the water has reduced. I'll be adding the broth in little increments as needed instead of water. I now add the spices. All the quantities can be found in the description box, so be sure to check it out. I add the pre-boiled diced tongue, mix to combine and go in with black pepper and vegeta. Vegeta seasoning contains salt, so I'm not using much since I boiled the tongue with salt at the start. I add some more broth. The tongue is already cooked at this point, so I let it simmer on the lowest heat setting for 15 minutes. This time is enough for the stew to thicken and the tongue to absorb all the flavors. I adjust salt to taste and let it simmer for 2 to 3 more minutes for it to blend in well. Our stew is now ready and the aroma in the kitchen is so good. The stew is delicious and the tongue is tender, tastes great, melts in your mouth and has a soft buttery texture. Look at how thick and velvety the stew is. Despite being an offal, cow tongue tastes like premium beef cut. I paired it with cabbage to the side and avocado chapatis. Please check out the videos linked above for the cabbage and chapati recipes. For more simple recipes, remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new recipe. Thanks for stopping by and see you all in my next video.